Are you going to play lottery today? Are you going to play Pick 4? If so, you need to go to lnumerouslotterystrategies.com and use our app if you're playing Pick 4. If you use it for any state, okay? So we're going to do, as usual, we're going to do New Jersey. And for New Jersey, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go and look at the Pick 4 that came out yesterday. And we're going to see if it comes out in a drawing. And the generator. All right, so let it come up real quick. All right, so we're going to be using, today is the 11th. We're going to be using the 10th. Midday for midday, remember, day for day, evening for evening. So we're going to be using 6063 to see if we can get 8823. Remember your mirrors and flips. Here we go. 6063 was the draw from the previous day. And we are looking for, let me bring it back one more time so you can see it. We are looking for 8823. So we put in 6063 and we're looking for 8823. All right, here we go. 6063. We get the day sum of 2. And let's look around those 2s. And what do we see? 8832. It's all around the 2s. You see it? You see it right there. If you look by this 2, what do you see? 2883. Right there, around the 2s. All you have to do is find the day sum, which this automatically gives you. It gives you the day sum already. All you have to do is look around it, and the numbers are connected to it. You're seeing it clear as day. 8832. Let's go back and look at the number that came out. 8823. I'm not making it up. You guys are seeing for yourselves. Seeing is believing, right? Seeing is believing. Get the app. Get the 3693 rundown book for your state. You need these books right here. They're your companions. You can get them on Amazon. All right? Get them on Amazon. And this is where you write down you log your plays in this so you know to go and play. You can take the app to the store with you. If you go to the site, there's nothing to download. It's just right in the browser. If you have a phone with internet, then you have access to it. If you have a tablet that has internet, then you have access. If you have a desktop, you do not need to download any apps. Taking up your storage just does not do that. All right? So, good luck. Make sure you like and subscribe, share, comment your state, comment if you play, comment if you used the numbers, comment if you hit. Let me know. I need to know. All right, let's go back, and I will see you guys on the other side.